What does fake money mean? So one of the reasons fake money is so important is after 1971, the U.S. Treasury and the U.S. Federal Reserve Bank, and all banks throughout the world do the same thing. They started doing this. When the U.S. couldn't pay its bills, rather than fix the economy, they kept pumping more fake money into the economy. And it got bigger. You know, in '87, there was a major crash, but nothing really happened. They just printed more money. And then what happened around 2000, as you know, the dot-com bust happened. And it was a slight release of pressure. Some people lost their jobs. The dot-com guys crashed. You know, guys lost billions of dollars. You know, big deal. But then what happened is they didn't fix the problem, so they needed to keep pumping more money into the economy. So up to 2008, they pumped more and more fake money into the economy. And then what happened is the real estate market went into this big bubble here, stock market, bond markets, and all this. And then there was they almost crashed, you know. So the government bailed out Wall Street, the guys who bring us the fake assets. The taxpayer paid for the bailout, and our teachers did nothing but ask for pay raises. And they just kept pumping more fake money into the economy. So after 2008, again, this is Global Economics 101. So since 2008, they pumped twice as much money into the economy to try and fix the problem. Now, who's got a Ph.D. in economics? Now, you don't need to have a Ph.D. in economics, because you and I know if you keep doing this, you keep pumping more and more fake money to fix the economy, does it get any better? So today the stock market is twice as high as it was in 2008. Real estate prices are booming. Lots of jobs because there's lots of debt, you know, financing these goofy projects and all that. And the bond market's an all-time high. So do you have a PhD in economics? I mean, let me ask you this. What happens if we keep going? Just as pension funds go bankrupt, Social Security goes bankrupt, what do you think's going to happen? Do you have a PhD? Look, you don't need one, because this is what's going to happen in a few years. That's what's going to happen to the global economy. So the reason I wrote fake is so you can protect yourself, prepare now before that happens. But the best way to prepare is to become educated by real teachers, not fake teachers, and invest in real assets, not fake assets.